We are gonna make a bumblebee. Let's start our video. Hi everyone. We need yellow and black construction paper and scissors and glue and a pink marker, and we need a googly eye and now we need to cut the bumblebee's body and stripes. Now we need to glue the parts. Bumblebee. Buzz. Thank you for watching to my videos. Please subscribe. Bye.